Good day and welcome to PCYBER ICT Services. In this tutorial, I want to explain to you how to clone a website yourself. At the beginning of this tutorial, I made mention of you approaching web design using your mobile phone and your system. At the end of my tutorial, you'll be able to design amazing websites yourself. 2 days ago, a company contacted me and said, PCYBER, I wanted to design a website for me like this. And this was the ads trending on the website. And here is the website they showed me. They said, I wanted to design this for me. Looking at the website, I charged them 45,000 naira for it. And they paid immediately, thinking the money is cheap for them. But do you know it takes me just 5 to 10 minutes to design this website using my mobile phone? I want to explain this to you, and after this tutorial, this is a free video I want to send for you. You'll be able to learn how to clone a landing page website on your own. But notwithstanding, this website is not just focusing on landing page. It is just a mere thing that a child can just wake up and do. I want to blend you on web development, how to design investment website like MMM, how to design a website, e-commerce website like Kwonga, Jumia, Gigi, and how to do so many amazing things yourself. I tell you, at the end of this tutorial, you'll be making money, cool money, sitting down at the comfort of your home. And as you can see, this is the website they sent me, Makova Creative Limited. And here is what I cloned it at proinvest.pcyber.com.ng. You can check it out on your phone. Whatever you can do in this website, you click here, it pops this up for you. Look at it. That same thing is initiated here. You see that, and this website is good to go. So how did I do that? There is a website called a software called HTT Track. Just search HTT Track.com or just search HTT Track and you see it here, HTT Track.com. This is a website copier, and when I search on Google, here is the software. If you are using your Android phone, you can download the software from Play Store. This HTT Track is available both on Play Store. That means you can use your phone to clone any website and have a landing page website for yourself. And I downloaded any of these files, those compatible to my own device. So I'm using a Windows 10 device having 64 bits operating system, and that was why I downloaded this. I already have the software on my phone, so I will not download it again. If you want to try that, you can go ahead, download it using your phone, or download it on Play Store on your phone, or download this software using your system, just the way I did. So I've already downloaded it. Here is it. I'm going to launch my software and I'm going to click on next. I'm going to give a name for this. I can give it any name, and I can give it test, and I click next. Here I will be asked to put the URL of that same website that I want to clone, and here's the website I want to clone, Makoville Limited, and I will just copy that website. You see, when I copy, I'm going to go there and paste it. Even your phone, that is how you should do it. I copy the link and paste it there. I click on next and I click on finish. So it's going to take a couple of minutes, probably 5 to 10 minutes, and it will be done with cloning this website, as I'm saying. So let's wait for it and see the magic behind it. So as you can see, it has finished cloning the website, and I'll just exit or click finish, and that is all. Then now I'll go to my file manager. If you're using your phone, go to your file manager, your phone memory, If you're using your system, go to your local directory. You'll see a folder called my website. When you click on it, you see that name I give it, that directory name I give it. You can see I give it to, and when I click on it, you can see I'm going to look for the main URL. Look at this, is the URL of that website I copied Makovi that I have nothing to do with this site. This is the main URL. I'm going to copy it. I'll go back. This main URL, I'm going to zip it. and after I zip it, I will go to zip it, achieve. So you can say I've done that before. I'm going to achieve it and click OK, and that was what gave me this. Look at it after zipping it. Look at the file. So I'm going to go to my cPanel and upload this file. What will I do? I will go to my cPanel, the cPanel of my website. If you are not having cPanel or you want to know about this, please join us on the tutorial, and I'm going to teach you how to get a free cPanel to host your website. So I've not deleted the script here. Let me delete the script so that you'll see. Let me delete the script. Formerly, I've not deleted the script, so I've deleted the script on my cPanel, and here is the cPanel. This is the subdomain I want to host that website. You can see right now when I click on that website link, there is nothing is empty because I've deleted all the files. You've seen it. So I'm going to upload that zip, that same main website zip. I'm going to search for it here, look at it here. I'm going to upload it. So after uploading it, I'll wait, it will upload. After uploading it, you will see one next will follow. Congratulations, I've finished installing. I've finished uploading my zip. I will go back home page, and here's the zip. I'm going to extract this. After extracting this, I'll close, and here's the file. I can delete this if I like the zip. I don't need it anymore, so I can just delete this one. And here's the folder. You see it? I'm going to open this. When I open this, I'm going to look for the location where that index.php. I'm going to bring it to the root folder. You see, and this is the index.php. I'm going to move this one. I'm going to move it, and I'm going to move it directly to the link which I want. When they click, it's going to show me. I'm going to move it here, and after I move this here, I'm going to go back, and now I will make sure that it's there. Let's check. Is there? The index is there. Then now, when I visit my site, let's see the magic, and you see, whoa, this is wonderful. You can do this accurately using your phone without any problem. So now, if you want to know how I design my own website, how I design wonderful website like this, beautiful website having admin dashboard, I can create any kind of website, VTU website, data selling website, airtime, and so many other functions, having my dashboard, my elements, and so many other things there. You can see I have so many things, creating posts, pages, and so many do and don't of the website. You can see this is the magic area of the website. If you want to know how I design those sites and you want to be a developer, believe you me, you need no coding knowledge. You don't need to know HTML, CSS, PHP. You don't need to know the frequent use of those things. You just see yourself making use of all those codes without your knowledge and building beautiful websites for your clients, for your business, and for anyone around you, making cool money. So if I can use my mobile phone and earn 45,000 naira within 10 minutes, I believe you too can do that, and you too can start up something earning. I'm not going to only allow you to do this, I'm going to teach you how to design any kind of website and how to get local clients for your website. Local clients, how to get people to contact you instead of you contacting them, how to get people to contact you to design website for them. And at the end of this tutorial, I'm telling you, you are going to thank me so much for bringing this new and great avenue. And believe you me, after this tutorial, I'm going to run a giveaway of 30,000 naira for anyone who completely accomplish this project, building a wonderful website. So there will be a contest for anyone who build the best website design, having it indexed on Google, and all the criteria, all the demands they needed. I'm going to give a token of 30,000 naira. If you are interested, please join this tutorial with just 2,000 naira and stand a chance of winning this 30,000 naira and earning more knowledge on web development. See you in the tutorial feed. Have a nice day.